Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossifunda, and in this video we're gonna talk about an issue which we are facing with our Spotify premium account. So the premium is not working on Spotify, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So to get the access of a premium account, you must have to purchase a plan provided by the Spotify. You can buy any one plan from this list to get a premium account. Now if you pay for premium but aren't getting the premium features, then try these ways. So first of all, log out from your account and after few minutes log in back. This can force an update between your device and account. And while login, make sure to check your login details. Make sure that you log in with the same account on which you bought the subscription for the account. Also make sure to check your payment status. If it is marked pending, then it means your payment is not successful. Or if you are invited to a premium family or you are using a duo account, then make sure to check the manager hasn't removed you from the plan. And also if your plan is with a partner company like your internet provider, then you have to contact them for payment related issues. If everything looks good, then simply clear the cache data of Spotify. And for that, go to settings, go to application, go to Spotify, go to storage, and here you will get the option of clear cache data. After doing this, restart the Spotify application and your issue will be resolved. So I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.